Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Infinix Smart 6 HD. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them and install completely free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, click on Open. Now finally, in order to continue, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do the same on Infinix. Then select Send on your Motorola and Receive on Infinix smartphone. From here you need to click on all of those type of dots, and when you finished, click on Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and send them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go into Photos, click on only one, choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on Infinix, click on No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon on Infinix and then clicking on while using the app or only this time. To scan it, just point your camera at the code. You can always input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!